Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to make some delicious chocolate truffles and it's coming right up. So today I'm making my white chocolate and macadamia nut truffles. They're delicious and they're easy to make. So let me show you how. The first step is to roughly chop some macadamia nuts and toast them in a moderate oven until they are slightly golden brown. Once these have cooled down, I'm going to add them to a large mixing bowl. And to this, I'm going to add 2 packets of white chocolate biscuits that I have pulsed into fine crumbs. Next, I add some cream cheese. And then I add some macadamia nut liqueur. If you can't get a hold of macadamia nut liqueur, something like Bailey's Irish Cream would work well as an alternative. Now give these ingredients a good old mix. Next, I'm going to use a teaspoon to take this mixture and roll it carefully into balls. Then I'm going to put these truffle balls in the refrigerator for at least half an hour to firm up. Now, in my bowl, I have some melted milk chocolate, and very carefully using a toothpick, I'm going to roll my truffle balls in the milk chocolate and transfer them to another tray where the excess chocolate is allowed to drip off. I'm going to pop these in the fridge to set. Next, I've melted some white chocolate in a snap-lock bag in the microwave. I'm going to use this snap-lock bag as a bit of a piping bag now, and I'm going to drizzle this white chocolate all over the top of my beautiful chocolate truffles just to give it a lovely finishing touch. Once again, pop these chocolate truffles in the fridge to firm up, and then they are done. Don't forget these truffles must be stored in the fridge at all times. The finished product is really special. Not only do they look just beautiful, you almost don't want to eat them, but they really are delicious. So, let me do a taste test. Wow, that macadamia nut liqueur really adds to that strong macadamia nut flavour. And this is what I love about this recipe, by the way, is you can get really versatile with it. So say you don't have access to macadamia nuts, another really good idea is to use hazelnuts. And instead of white chocolate Tim Tams, use some chocolate biscuits, milk chocolate, like the original chocolate Tim Tams, hazelnuts, frangelico liqueur. Now you've made yourself some choc hazelnut truffles. So get a little bit creative, be a little bit versatile, see what you can come up with. And I'd love to hear from you if you come up with some really great recipes of your own. So if you want to have a go at making my white chocolate and macadamia nut truffles, all you have to do is check out the description box below. There you'll find a link to my website. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, give me a big thumbs up, or better still, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because that way you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.